What should I do if resetting my Honeywell thermostat does not work?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to talk about what to do when your Honeywell thermostat isn't responding to a reset. This is a common issue that can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps that might help you get your thermostat back up and running. Remember, safety first. Always turn off the power to your HVAC system at the circuit breaker before performing any thermostat troubleshooting.
Check for power issues.
First, let's ensure that your thermostat is getting power. Check if the display is on. If not, check your circuit breaker to make sure the power isn't tripped. If your thermostat uses batteries, replace the batteries and see if that resolves the issue.
Check the wiring.
If power isn't the issue, the next step is to check the wiring. Make sure all the wires are securely attached to the thermostat and there's no corrosion or damage. This step should only be performed by someone who is comfortable with home electrical systems. If you're not, it may be best to call a professional.
Check the HVAC system.
Sometimes the issue might not be with the thermostat, but with the HVAC system it's controlling. Make sure the HVAC system is functioning properly. You might want to check your furnace filters or the outdoor AC unit to make sure there's no blockage or damage.
Factory reset.
If none of the previous steps work, you might want to try a factory reset. This will erase all the settings on your thermostat, but it can sometimes resolve more complex issues. To do this, refer to your specific model's user manual for the correct procedure. We hope this guide will help you troubleshoot your Honeywell thermostat issues when a simple reset doesn't do the trick. Remember, if you're ever uncomfortable performing these checks yourself, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional. Thanks for watching, and stay warm or cool out there.